Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to delete or remove a user account here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type on settings. The moment you have typed it, please proceed with the best match. Click on open to continue. By the way, you can also use the keys, which are by pressing Windows and I key together. There you would be able to open the settings. Okay. So once you are here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please go with accounts. So tap on it, and the moment you have bring up the accounts tab, you need to scroll down. Okay, and here you would be able to see a list of the options under account settings. So you need to look for other users, which contains device access, work or school users and assigned access. So tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, you would be able to see or find the other users that you have logged in your Windows. Now, aligning to this local account or administrator account, any type of account that you have, you need to click this down arrow, and here you would be able to see account options and account data, where aligning to account and data, you would be able to see there an option called remove, which is what we are looking for. So tap on it, and before proceeding your action, here your computer will ask you to delete account and data. So deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So I would suggest that you will back up first the important data, documents, or any necessary files that you have with this account before proceeding on deleting account data, in order to avoid any regrets, because the moment you click on delete account and data, all the important files, the photos, the documents that you have, it might be related to your work or school or whatever important data that is necessary to you, then I would suggest that you need to back up into another drive or another PC. Okay, once you will have the bucket up. But anyway, if you don't have any important or necessary files, you can proceed on delete account data. Okay, so delete on it. The moment you have clicked on it, there you have to successfully removed or delete the other user or your user account here in your Windows or computer. So simply close this window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.